If you have Bank of America late payment, I might want to pay attention to this. So the CFPB recently sued Bank of America. So let me share screen so you guys can see for yourself. So CFPB sues Bank of America 200 million. All right, so as you can see, CFPB takes action against Bank of America for illegally charging junk fees, withholding credit card rewards, and opening up fake accounts. So Bank of America will pay more than 100 million to harm consumers and an additional 150 million in penalties to the CFPB and Office of the Comptroller of Currency. What does this mean for you? So when you dive into it, you can see that Bank of America wrongfully withheld credit card rewards, double dipped on fees, and opened accounts without consent, said the CFPB director. These practices are illegal and undermine consumers' trust. The CFPB will be putting an end to these practices across the banking system. So as you can see, guys, it goes into a lot more details. But if you have a Bank of America late payment, when we talk about fees, right? It talks about double dipping on imposing fees on consumers with what? Insufficient funds. So insufficient funds can actually land you inside the check systems, withholding bonuses that they promise and misappropriating sensitive personal information to open accounts without consumers' knowledge. So if you have late payments from Bank of America, ladies and gentlemen, you want to use this Bank of America late payment letter below to get these bank accounts. Well, to get Bank of America late payments deleted. It is built with language from this case law. It is also built with FCRA laws and other consumer laws that is put in here specifically for Bank of America late payments, okay? So this letter is to be used strictly if you have Bank of America late payments.